Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to share Facebook post on Messenger story. Before getting started, make sure to update both of your application, that is Facebook as well as Messenger. So after you're done updating your application, also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. As you open up your Facebook application, this is what the interface is going to look like. After that, you'll have to look for the post, or you'll have to select the post that you actually want to share it on your story. For example, I'll go with this particular post. So you can see that this is what the interface is going to look like on your device as well. So you can see on the post there are different options, or there are different icons. So all you have to do is you'll have to tap on the share icon, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. So once you tap on it, there is a pop-up. So from here, you'll have to tap on share to your story. You can see there are different features, so you can even customize it. You can even add caption to it. You can even add music to it, or you can add any other emoji that you feel like adding. And you can even tag or mention people on this particular story. So once you're done, just tap on the share icon, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After you're done posting a story, next wait patiently for some time. And after that, once again go to your home screen, or just go to your feed page, and then right on top you can see there are your stories, and just tap on your story, and you can see that the story or the post has been shared, and all you have to do is wait patiently for the viewers to view. So that is how you can share Facebook post on Messenger story. That is all for this video.